নমস্কাৰ এটা কথা আপোনালোকে জানি থোৱাটো ভাল after the date of a fixed deposit account holder the funds in the FD become a part of the state and can be claimed by a nominee or legal heir. The bank will release the fund after proper verification of document which normally include death certificate, nominee ID proof and other bank record form. If the nominee is present, then process will be easy or simpler with funds being transferred to the nominee's account. If there is no nominee, in such case, the legal heir will need to provide additional documentation such as legal heirship certificate. মনত ৰাখিব ফিক্সড ডিপোজিট একাউণ্ট হোল্ডাৰজন ঢুকোৱাৰ পিছত যেটো ফান্ড থাকে এফডিৰ সেইটো সম্পত্তিলৈ পৰিৱৰ্তন হৈ যায় সম্পত্তি বুলি ধৰি লোৱা হয় মনত ৰাখিব নমস্কাৰ